Greetings from our team at Robert & Jones Wealth Management. With everything going on in the market, we thought we'd update you with a quick video regarding our thoughts. It reminds me of the quote that the times and challenging times we're living in from Mike Tyson, who says that everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. So to some degree, that's what we're feeling today in these challenging times. So we wanted to give you our quick thoughts. So what's going on? We know the answer to the left question, which is that indeed Russia has invaded eastern Ukraine. The situation there is very fluid. I won't add to what's already kind of commonly known, but we also know that that's added to what has already been a volatile market. So we know that there's now an elevated geopolitical risk. And that adds to what were already risks in the market with inflation and interest rates. And what I'll say as a quick side note is that while the Russia and Eastern Ukraine is the more prominent issue today, I think the Fed and whether or not they can curb inflation without triggering a recession is probably the more significant risk going forward. We also know that we've been here before as it relates to Russia and taking over the Crimea in 2014. While markets did trade with some added volatility in March and May, the markets pretty quickly shrugged off that news. That doesn't say that doesn't mean that will happen this time, but we do have some context some 8 years ago. These type of geopolitical events kind of remind me of this quote by Donald Rumsfeld that says there are known knowns, things that we know, there are known unknowns. That is to say, there are things that we know we don't know, but there are also unknown unknowns. There are things we do not know, we don't know. So in some ways, this describes kind of where we are, the outcome set with Russia, Ukraine, and how it impacts the greater Europe and even us as it relates to energy prices is a wide outcome set. It's very hard to know what the short, medium, and long-term results are, but it's something that we're carefully following. So what are we doing? In light of current events, we sent a detailed note out on Friday discussing the fact that we will be rebalancing to reflect these themes. So take a look at that again with notes there from Stan about kind of what we're doing on a detailed basis. What we encourage you to do is to contact us. Again, the best part of our day is time spent serving you. We're here to serve you in times like these that are challenging. We encourage you to reach out to us to schedule a call, Zoom, ask us a question by email. We're here to serve you during these challenging times. So with that in mind, we close. We just wanted to share with you some brief thoughts on what's going on in markets today. Should you have any questions at all, please reach out to us. Do not hesitate to give us a call. We don't want those questions to remain unanswered. Until we see you again, stay well and take care.